Alright guys, listen, I'm making this video for me so I could show you a video that my friend Cuddles made. And this could be about what happened say a couple of hours ago. Here it is.
Just like, and it was just going through. You gotta say your intro, my boy.
I don't need an intro. This is weird. I'm just gonna say like.
Alright, what's going on? I got you. Oh, don't do that.
No, that's Jeff's intro.
Don't do no intro. Do it.
No, this is gonna be weird. There's people around me.
Do it. Just record.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing.
Alright, what's going on?
His eyes are like cat eyes. Look at.
Okay, do you zoom it in?
Why are you eating a Pop-Tart?
Why not? It's Pop-Tart.
Huh?
I'm gonna bring a Pop-Tart connected to my rocket. I'm just gonna launch it with it.
Okay, I'm gonna bring a Pop-Tart.
That John's in the video. It's just
John, get out the way, my boy. Go code.
But, I don't want to. Watch, it's gonna end up flying and hitting my. I can't zoom in.
Why?
Because it doesn't work. Look. See?
Oh my god, my boy.
Well, you can't blame the YouTube capture for sucking.
It is.
Yeah, you want me to zoom in? There, zoomed in.
Where's your guys' rocket?
It's gonna be here.
Yes, it is. Oh, wait, no, I'm not.
Oh, shit, that's
Oh, my God.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
I don't even know where it is.
It's right there.
Oh, it's over there.
Did you get that?
Yeah, sweet.
I got it.
Watch me just lose all that memory.
They really have all
Look at Sam.
Sam! Wait, where?
Over there. Alright, they're doing no. No, Devin's going. Devin. Oh my god.
I want to see it explode. No.
I want to film mine to explode. Yo. That's everyone you filmed it over.
I wonder if anybody else. That shit, he already has a little.
Yeah, I don't want mine to blow up today.
That shit's scared me.
You want to blow up tomorrow? Yeah.
You'd be like, that's like,
Glenda.
what is it yesterday they say? I want to blow up right now. What if that shit got hit by a plane?
Imagine the plane just blows up.
That's kind of scary.
Actually, that'd be scary. Exactly. You just look at each other. It's like it's gonna die.
Whoa, if it didn't blow up.
I just realized I'm basically doing a vlog right now. Playing school.
Yeah, you gotta show your face, my boy.
I'm not showing my face.
You are?
No. You're the only one that's been seen. There's Jacob. And then Edwin.
I'm always in your vlog. When you get
not
us
all.
like a challenge.
Yeah, you've only been in my challenge videos. And now Edwin.
Oh, yeah,
There you go. There you
You
go.
should do another one.
Yeah, you do. With John. Why are you recording
You want
with my
to
own
know?
phone?
Because you're Carlos, you're the person there.
Salty.
Everyone's gonna record you, Carlos.
Yeah.
Everybody's gonna record you. Fuck, look at my rocket.
Yeah, it's got rockets.
That's Bad Boys rocket.
My rocket.
And then you got Carlos' rocket. And then you got Edwin's rocket. That's whack. And then you got Jacob's. Yo, it looks like flame right there. Where? Yeah, I know. There you go. Number gross.
A nice case. Yeah, it's sort of online case.
Hey, just like your PlayStation.
Yeah. This is one of the stickers you could have on the PlayStation. I have another.
Shit, I missed it. Shit, holy shit.
Up there, kid. It's over there.
Where is it?
Oh, it's right there. I see it.
It's always like you're
Sam!
Yo, I was like this. Why are they playing golf over there?
Did you get scared when I know, like,
I just realized I'm covering the microphone the whole time.
really
Yeah.
stupid. Let me record my blood.
I would kill you if you did that.
What up, blood?
You're covering the mic.
I'm not. Where's the mic?
The whole bottom is the mic.
Oh my god. Really? What up, blood?
There you go.
The whole time, like Jacob's like, say, hey, you wanna fuck shit up?
Don't do that.
Say you wanna fist him.
No.
Yeah, you like, Edwin,
I don't even know what that was. What would Jacob do? Like, no. Cause what would you do if Jacob the whole time was like,
Yo, I have to put that Sword Art Online video on private. Try not to drop because you said your email and private. Yeah. So I put it on private. Edwin, you having a good time?
Yeah.
You don't get hacked. I think I got hacked.
What would you do if I did this?
Alright, Edwin, you're done. Edwin, you're done.
Edwin, no.
If you want
Edwin's
to
done.
hold that.
did that the whole time. What would you think? I would private the video. That's all I would.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't.
I think I just ended it. No, I didn't. I think I ended it. Alright, we better get the next one. Alright, this time I'm not gonna fuck this thing doesn't zoom in.
Because I'm using.
What? Just look at the rocket. Just look at the rocket.
I got it, man.
Wow, you got a dab in my video.
Fuck. Oh, yo, there's a plane right there. What's that shit? You can't see that shit. I can't even see it anymore.
I can see it.
I can't even see it anymore.
I want to catch it.
I can't see
How
it.
did I just jump off this country?
Where is it lit? Yo, it's landing on the field. Can you even see it?
Probably not. John's so wobbly with the camera.
Sorry, man. I'm not like stiff on like. Y'all may be straight. Like. We should just sit down. Yeah, let's just fucking sit down, my boy. Let's just sit down somewhere.
Well, I'm
Sit
on the
down.
shade.
Fucking
I don't think you can see the 50. Are you sure you can see the rifle from
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a better. I can actually see you. Yeah.
see the rocket?
Yeah.
Wait, are you sure you can see the... Yeah, you can see it.
Hey, you can see everything, Edwin.
Yeah, it's so much better. I don't think they'll see it.
Yeah, see how much better this is?
As
As we're just like talking while the thing is moving. Let me see. Oh, here we go, Jacob. Whoa, Jacob. Boy. This is the Jacob cam, my boy. Oh, if you should put like a caption, whoever's holding that camera. Oh yeah.
I actually can if I...
Edwin cam, Carlos cam.
No, we're not having any Edwin cam. I'm cutting that out. That's the noise that can be bad.
How long can this phone record? How long can this phone record for?
Didn't tell everyone out of memory. So once I upload it, I just delete it.
Why? Why?
If I'm uploading it, why would
Oh,
I...
it's the video?
to have it, yeah.
Dude, send it to me.
We'll have this if we like...
Blaine, watch out. Oh, ready? Let go. Woo! Woo! Can't see shit now. Oh, I just like crushed my rocket. Where that bitch at?
Yup. It's going somewhere near here.
I can't see shit. Yo, I just like crushed my rocket. Alright, now it's time to sit down.
Back to sitting. John, the rocket's out here on the floor.
Alright, I squished my rocket.
John,
I was like, John came right here. Bad boy cam. Now you got like one.
Yeah, I captioned it the bad boy cam.
And a wonder bad boy cam. Remember Ralph?
Ralph cam.
Elastic chicken cam.
I like how I only recorded like the beginning.
What? Oh, you want your camera back there?
I need my camera
there
back.
you go. There you go. Sit down, chill, my boy. What if that shit just like comes in the...
This was the eye.
With the acorn? No, the rocket.
Chill out. What would you do if the rocket hit a tree? And it set on fire? That would be pretty funny. And then you're under the tree? Yeah. Who'll die?
Germany.
So? If you don't move. What? Ew! You get tick infested.
To like put it in your mouth and just spit it out.
Like
Put it in your mouth and spit it out.
Oh wait, we got to vlog twice. That's cool. We got tomorrow. Park day vlogs.
Oh yeah.
Park day vlogs.
Tomorrow's gonna be our vlogging class.
I have actually, but then I deleted it because.
We're watching this movie called Max. Tomorrow's gonna be ours. My boy. That bird got mad scared. I thought that bird was a rock.
Oh, it blew up! It blew up!
My boy, where you at?
It blew up.
Whose was that? Where'd it go? Logan!
School bus.
Was that yours? Yeah. You built that rocket.
I didn't put the parachute in. I super glued it.
You said you wanted it to blow up, so you got your wish.
It didn't blow up.
Oh.
That's the thing.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, I'm gonna blow up. It blew up.
Yeah.
I want mine to blow up.
It blew up.
No, your wires will disappear. If it blew up, there should be ashes on
Yo, I
it.
want to try to hit it. What if I do to hit it out there?
Hit the
What if I hit the bird?
We got 10.5 minutes. Video's probably gonna be like whole class or something.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, Jordan.
It's a regular finger.
I like how everything just went really
Yo, it's a
quiet.
baby cat.
Baby cat.
Yeah, bitch.
Oh my god, just get the
Alright, let me record this one. Let me record this one.
It's not focusing. It's not focusing.
Are you like trying to focus on the leaf? No, it's a baby cat. You killed the baby
You killed it.
What was it?
It
My
was a
boy.
baby caterpillar. You just killed it.
I'm sorry, my boy. Let me see this.
You just killed it.
John Kim. Just killed a baby caterpillar.
You just killed a baby caterpillar.
Yeah, I didn't know it was on it.
I like the pork.
I just said it.
Pork.
Okay, I got it down. I'm gonna put down the down.
Alright, we're gonna record this one. This shit's Zoom. That's stupid. Alright. You ready? Ooh. Come on, munch it, my boy. On the walkie-talkie.
Housekeeping.
Oh no.
Somebody says housekeeping.
Alright. Hold up. They about to launch it. Hold up.
Hold up, gang.
Time to get copyright. Got copyrighted. You did? Oh.
What's that?
You even see that anymore? I can see it. Oh, it blew! That shit's down, boy.
I told you it backfired, did I not?
That shit's gone now, my boy. Oh! Well, it kind of did. Yeah, the engine blew. The engine just, the flyer, it just blew. Came off. The flyer shit. Okay, look.
Logan! I found the last part of your... I'll show my
Here you go. Carlos Camp.
Edwin. Edwin Cam. We're going back. Edwin Cam, no sounds. Okay. By the way, keep your fingers out of it.
Alright.
Stay off the set. Justice. You really want to keep an eye on it.
Okay, I think I took longer than 15 minutes. End it right here.